Albi's Drybook is an integrated and streamlined solution that lets you document all your data easily so you receive your money faster. Meet Restore Now Restoration. They're dedicated to providing top-notch mitigation services while ensuring prompt payment for their hard work. But there's a problem. Adjusters are poking holes in their incomplete field documentation, and this is holding them back from collecting their hard-earned money quickly. At Albi, we understand the challenges restorers face. Our solution ensures fast payments and streamlines the process of collecting critical information. Introducing Albi's Drybook, the restoration industry's first embedded drying documentation tool. With Albi's Drybook, your technicians can easily sketch affected areas, map moisture points, assign equipment, take photos of drying progress, and capture crucial readings, all from within your central job management system. Your office can effortlessly monitor drying progress, ensuring everything is simple to use and all in one easy-to-use place. Here's how it works. 1. Your technicians set up the Drybook by sketching out all affected areas, taking pictures, adding notes, and placing equipment. 2. Your technicians track all drying progress by logging visits. 3. Once the job is done, within 2 clicks, you can generate a comprehensive report to send off to the insurance company, justifying your hard-earned work. Ready to transform your restoration business? Book a demo today and unlock the key to faster payments and smoother operations. Don't let adjusters push back on your outdated documentation. Success is getting paid for the incredible work you've done fast.